Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by minimizing variables. Remove the case and protector, then clean the glass with a lint-free cloth and 70% isopropyl if needed. Next, perform a force restart. This clears temporary software hangs. For iPhone 8 or later, use volume up, volume down, then hold side until the Apple logo appears. Once done, try basic taps and swipes to confirm whether responsiveness changed. If parts of the screen react, make note of precise areas. That helps narrow down software versus hardware causes. You should now isolate software. First, back up your device and install any pending iOS updates. Updates often include touchscreen driver fixes. If the issue persists, reset all settings to retain data while clearing configuration conflicts. This addresses misbehaving gestures or accessibility toggles. Once reset, test the screen again. If responsiveness is still inconsistent, perform a DFU restore using a computer. This reloads firmware and iOS at a low level. Make sure to follow the exact timing for your model to avoid bricking. If software steps fail, focus on hardware causes. Examine the display edges for lifting or cracked glass and look for soft spots where the digitizer no longer registers touch. These indicate screen or connector failure. If you suspect liquid, dry the phone in a controlled low-humidity environment and do not apply heat. Let it rest 24 to 48 hours. Finally, if you're unsure, take it to Apple or an authorized repair provider. They can test the digitizer, replace the display, or diagnose logic board faults. And that prevents costly DIY mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.